If you want to set up your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 without using any smartphone, then here's what you need to do. So if you just turned on your Galaxy Watch 8, the first thing that you will see is the choice of language. You will need to select your language. So in my case, I'm gonna choose English. There we go, let's confirm. Now let's wait a couple of seconds, then you will need to choose your region. So let me actually choose mine. There we go, and then let's press restart. And of course now we need to wait a couple of seconds. After that you will see the welcome screen. Once the watch restarts, you will see the name of the watch, and you will be asked to pair your watch with your smartphone. However, what you can do is you can keep tapping on this wear icon that we have at the top, so just keep tapping, and then you will see long tap the icon for more than 3 seconds. So let's do this. Let me actually do that again. Oh, there we go, never mind, it actually started. So as you can see, then we have the starting text, and we need to wait a couple of seconds until we actually see the standard default watch face. As you can see, we have access to our apps. We can start using our watch. Of course, some features will be not available, or they will be limited, as we are required to connect with a smartphone to be able to use them, and some features are only available if you have specifically a Galaxy smartphone, so you have to keep that in mind. But if you want to, you can set up your watch without using any smartphone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.